Hi guys, how you doing? I'm sorry I haven't been here. Um, yeah, I'm really sorry. Something's going on with my stomach. I don't know what. Every time I eat, I don't feel good. So I don't know. Um, but I'm here now. It's all that matters, right? I'm doing a buffalo chicken burger, pickles, onions, barbecue sauce, mayo, mustard, French fries, and a lettuce wrap. And it was really hard to get the lettuce this time, like a piece of lettuce. It just kept, you should see the cutting board over here. There's just lettuce everywhere. So how are you guys doing? I'm just waiting a second because this is like super hot. Let's see, yesterday, did I post yesterday? Yeah, I posted yesterday. I was on with my husband. Yesterday was a whirlwind. Just go, 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 go. Actually, I laid down and took a nap. I was friggin' like just... I've said this before, but it's true. When somebody says my head is spinning, it's true. Like literally you're dizzy because it's just, there's just so much going on. But that's good. That means you're living a good life, right? Busy life. So it's good to have a lot going on. I've been watching like some crazy stuff on YouTube. I have gone down the weird, I don't know what is going on with my algorithm. Y'all, it's bringing up stuff where I'm just like, huh, what? Like, why would you be recommending this to me exactly? What? Weird stuff. But there's a couple people I watch. One of them, the guy's name is Lazy. I think I mentioned him before. It's Layze. He's so funny. He's like my kid's age. And he's such a nice person. He makes great videos. His editor is like, oh my God, like unreal. Let's see how this goes. I'm a little nervous about this. This is gonna, get prepared for this. This is gonna be so messy. Like I already have stuff all over me on my hands. Oh my God, it's a mess. This guy's just messy. But he talks about, well, most of the stuff that he talks about is pretty much like TikTok stuff, but like YouTube stuff too. Oh my God, there's so much lettuce. It's good though. The lettuce is good. And the burger's really good too. But there's all of these like nurses, doctors too. You guys, surgeons. They're like supposedly doing their job and like live streaming what they're doing. This is really messy. Mm-mm. So like, there's these nurses and they're like live streaming, like to make money. Or I don't know what they're doing, why they're live. Oh my God, look at my nose. That's the only thing about this lettuce thing. It's not stable. I'm scared to set it down. They're live streaming while they're doing like med checks. They're like saying the patient's name. They're so busy live streaming, they're giving the wrong medication. For people. This one gal, she was live, and everybody on her live stream. Oh my God. This is, wow. I'm sorry guys, but this is like super messy. Let me get the whole roll of paper towels. Oh my God. Yeah, she's like trying to do med checks and live streaming, and people on her live stream are like, yo, you're gonna get in so much trouble, like this is a HIPAA I'm so messy tonight. Violation. And she's like, this is not a HIPAA violation because I'm not sharing any of the patient's information. Well, she did. Okay, my iPad is completely full. I need to go through it and delete stuff, so yay. But yeah, and then like a surgeon, literally there is a patient on the table and this person is doing like some type of a dance. On a live stream. Now, she was, her license or whatever was stripped from her or whatever. Like, you work so hard. All the money, time, effort that went in to becoming a surgeon. And you decide to go live while there's a patient on the table to do a dance for what? 40 people? What? It costs you everything. What's she gonna go do now? You guys, what is wrong with people? Oh my gosh. This one nurse was opening up stuff with her mouth, her teeth, to rip it open. Ugh. I don't want to have to go to the hospital. Oh my gosh, wow. Could I have picked a messier food, please? Um, I'm watching this other guy right now. He does TikToks too. I mean, reports about TikToks. I watched several. Oh my god, I'm in a bath. And he was talking about people who went viral. Oh my god. And it like ruined their life. Like ruined their life. You know, like they got really famous and popular and just different things happened to them. And he was talking about these vegan people. On YouTube and how crazy they were and the stuff they were doing. They were crazy. There was this one girl, supposedly she's like a famous vegan in Australia. And she says, you know, by being a vegan, you're gonna lose all this weight and all this kind of stuff. You can, yeah, it does. It's a thing, because you know you're not. It anyway. Doesn't matter. But one person who was following her, because the lady that recommends this diet, she actually doesn't follow it herself. She pretends like she does. She has like these retreats, she does all this stuff, but she actually doesn't follow the diet, because if she did, she would be no longer with us. Well, this poor girl in her 20s or something, she had met her and thought the whole thing was legitimate. This diet was legitimate. I'm not going to say what it is, but you guys should have seen pictures of her. Like, her family didn't do anything. Maybe they did. But, she passed away in her 20s. She was on this ridiculous diet. Like, this diet is so ridiculous. I don't know anybody could think. Maybe people just want to lose weight and they're like, oh, I'll just eat this. I don't know. Because honestly, I don't know how you would think. I mean, there's no omega-3, iron, negligible, protein negligible. Trying to think of what else. Oh, there's a lot of stuff that's not in this diet. It's very, very bad for you. I don't have a problem with diets at all. I've gone on crash diets. I think I talked about this. But I lost 50 pounds. And what I did was I first I wanted to shock my body. And what I mean by that is like, I wanted to make it very clear to my brain and my stomach that things were changing. I wasn't going to eat the way that I was eating before. So I did a crash diet for 2 weeks. It was completely unhealthy. I don't recommend it. I don't think anybody should do a crash diet. It's not good for you. But I had a plan. And so I did the diet. I think I did it for 3 weeks. My husband's like, I don't know how you have so much willpower. I have a lot of willpower. Like so much willpower. That's why it makes me irritated when I gain weight, because it's just like, I have so much willpower. I don't understand it. I just get lazy or whatever. But I had a plan, you know, so I was on it for 3 weeks knowing I was going to get off of it and start something different, which was the 75 soft challenge, which I will talk about on this channel because I don't think I've talked about it very much. And I lost 50 pounds. It was due to a medical condition. I didn't lose the 50 pounds because of the medical condition. I did the 75 soft challenge because of the medical condition, and I changed my entire diet and lifestyle because of my medical condition. And that's how I became vegan. I'm not vegan for ethical reasons, although I do, it doesn't matter. I'm not one of those. I'm not one of those. You'll never see me in the grocery store with a sign. I'm not going to go out in front of McDonald's. Nope. I miss McDonald's though. I do. But I know how to make Big Mac sauce, and it is vegan. I can make it vegan, so I can do that. So I'm good. I'm good to go. I got the Big Mac sauce. So, all right, you guys, I have to go back to what I was doing. It is 10 o'clock at night on I don't know. I think it's Tuesday. Yeah, it's Tuesday. And I need to figure out what's going on with my iPad. I need to clear it out. So, all right, you guys, I will see you later, alligator. Bye.